Hi friends, today I'm going to teach you how to play chess. Let's start. We need 2 players to play the game. There are 64 squares in the chessboard, 8 rows and 8 columns. There are 16 pieces. One is white and other is black. If one boy choose white, the other boy should choose the black team. For each player, we have 8 pawns, 1 king and 1 queen, 2 bishops, 2 knights and 2 rooks. Black pieces are similar to white pieces. There are 8 pawns, king and queen, 2 bishops, knights and rooks. Let's put the pieces on the chessboard. The pawn should be in the second square. Now we are going to do the rooks. We are going to put it in the corners, the rooks, and the knights beside the rook, and beside the knight and the rook it comes bishop, and the last the white king should be placed on the black side, and the queen should be placed on the white square. Similar for the black team. The king should place on the white square and the queen on the dark square. Next time we are going to learn to play the chess game. Okay, bye.